Rao Pharmacy Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Rao Pharmacy isn't just an online pharmacy you won't believe the convenience it offers. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for prescription fulfillment. The surprising truth is Rao combines telehealth consultations, ongoing prescription management, and discreet delivery for a variety of medications. Pricing depends on medication type and subscription options. Many users pay between and per month for chronic prescriptions, with some specialty medications higher. You won't believe how much easier it is to manage refills. Rao offers auto-refill reminders, free shipping, and monthly subscription plans that reduce costs compared to traditional pharmacy visits. Most people get this wrong by comparing only retail prices. Rao's value comes from telemedicine consultations, ongoing adherence support, and convenience, which can save time, reduce missed doses, and improve outcomes. For users with chronic conditions, subscription plans and delivery services can translate to significant savings and peace of mind. In conclusion, Rao Pharmacy pricing is transparent and scalable. By understanding subscription options, medication costs, and included telehealth services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether Rao provides real value for your health needs, while making prescription management simpler and more reliable.